Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So for today's video, guys, I can't believe this. I don't think I'll ever get used to it, but I just received another package from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This time it was containing all 20 of the brand new Velvet Trap lipstick formula Jeffree just launched. Guys, when I tell you this formula, you are going to be shook when you try it. I'm already so impressed. If you aren't aware, Jeffree Star Cosmetics used to carry something called lip ammunition. That's this guy right here. So pretty much Lip Trap is a beautiful makeover of it. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a deep dive into these brand new bad boys. We're going to be talking about the formula. We're going to be talking about what's different from the old formula versus the new formula. I'm going to be doing some lip swatches for you guys. Yes, I'm going to do it. I am swatching all 20 so you can really get a feel for the formula, for the color, for the way it looks on the lips. Before we jump into the video, guys, I want to announce we're having a brand new giveaway here on this channel. I don't know if you're aware yet, but I'm sure a lot of you are because we are junkies, but Jeffree Star Cosmetics is doing a round of mystery boxes again. This time it's gonna be for Halloween. And as you guys know, anytime Jeffree Star Cosmetics does a giant launch or mystery boxes, I like doing a mystery box of my own. So that's exactly what we're gonna be doing. So guys, if you know the rules here, watch until the very end of the video to find out how to enter my giveaway. You will not be disappointed. If you wanna watch some of the past giveaways when I unbox everything, they're usually, honest to God, better than the mystery boxes they give away. I'm just saying. They're amazing. You're gonna love it. So stick around to the very end of the video to find out how to enter. First things first, can we talk about this beautiful packaging? I am literally shook. He completely changed the game by making it like a slip off. I absolutely love the new packaging. It's so pretty, and when the lipstick is inside here, it actually feels so heavy and luxurious. I am so impressed. First, guys, let's start by talking about this new formula. So the website reads, apply a stunning veil of color to your lips with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velvet Trap lipstick. The Velvet Smooth formula offers extremely rich pigment in a single swipe. But the luxury doesn't end there. The heavyweight velvet finish pink packaging features a magnetic closure and embedded logos, available in the sickening spectrum of shades from the perfect red to the darkest black. He's saying pretty much that it's going to be unbelievably velvety smooth and rich, and I can honestly attest to that, guys. Compared to the old formula, it is way more emollient. We're getting more shine than we were with the other ones. I would say the other ones leaned more to a pure matte, and when you were applying them, I'll show you when we do the swatches, we're gonna compare the old Celebrity Skin to the new Celebrity Skin, and I'll show you it really tugged on your lips with the old lip ammunition. There almost wasn't enough moisture there. This time, absolutely different scenario, guys. It is so velvety smooth. When I tell you these are gorgeous, they're gorgeous. You can see here, it just glides on. You're not getting any tug, you're not getting any pull. I'm actually wearing this shade today. This is the shade Chocolate Fondue. It's a brand new shade, I believe. A lot of the shades, some of the true classics like Unicorn Blood, Celebrity Skin, those are also appearing in this formula. Those are in the original liquid lipstick formula as well as the old lip ammo formula. But I love that he included that, but we're also getting a brand new range of color. When we jump into these lip swatches, you're gonna see for yourself how absolutely beautiful these look on the lips. I love them. For me personally, I like something that's a little bit more matte. So when I pair these with a liquid lipstick and just put a little bit of this on the inside, whether I match it to the color that's already existing, or I just want to apply something lighter to give myself an ombre, I love how this is gonna pair with a liquid lipstick. I can already tell I'm gonna be reaching for them 24/7. I am in love with this new formula, guys. I cannot wait till you have this on your lips. These are pretty decently priced. They go for $18 US and $25 Canadian, which is pretty average. Now, I really carefully looked in the description section. He doesn't talk about this being a very long wearing item. I myself haven't had this on for hours and hours, but I can definitely come back to you guys. I can leave it in the comments on how it wears. I can't imagine it's going to stay on as long as his original formula did, only because it's a little bit more emollient, so it's just more likely that it's going to spread onto things that touch your lips and eventually it'll just wear away. So far though, guys, I love the pigment. It's, as you could tell, one swipe, beautiful, I'm in love. All right, guys, so I just wanted to hop back on here. It's been about 4 hours since I originally put chocolate fondue on my lips. I had to go out to run a couple of errands. It's my husband's birthday today. I'm gonna have Ian zoom right in. I want you to see after 4 hours, and I did even eat. I'd like you to see how this wears. So this is what it looks like after about 4 to 5 hours of wear. I've also eaten and everything, just so you guys can get a really close look. So originally I had thought the formula was really emollient, especially when you apply it, it looks really a lot shinier than you're expecting. But I swear I almost like the way it looks more when it's been worn. It just looks so beautiful. It's like your lip creates its own ombre. I absolutely love it. I had to jump back on to tell you guys that. I can't believe this. As if my PR package wasn't generous enough, Jeffree also included 2 of these velvet trap makeup displays. I am so grateful. Thank you so much, Jeffree. I cannot wait to photograph the crap out of these. So let's now do a direct comparison to the old formula and the new formula. So if we want to talk about the packaging, this new one, it's soft touch, it's pink on pink on pink. It is so beautiful. I love it, and it feels 10 times heavier than the original. The original, okay, it wasn't cheap, but it's definitely not as luxe as this. I was really surprised to hold this in my hand just to feel how weighty it is. And can we talk about the embossing? Yes, it does wipe away when you do it and when you eventually go all the way to the end, but it is just so special and luxurious to use. I love the attention to detail. As per always, Jeffree slays it with that, and this is no exception. Now, to see for yourself a direct comparison between the 2 formulas, because I only own one of the previous lip ammos, I wanted more, but by the time I got this actually in a summer mystery box. By the time I had a chance to get more, they were all sold out. He wasn't restocking these, so I was like, is he gonna phase them out? That's exactly what he was doing because he was working on this new formula. But I actually own this in Celebrity Skin. So what we're gonna do is a direct comparison between the new Celebrity Skin and the old Celebrity Skin, just so we can get a real feel of the difference, to see if the colors are different. I want you guys to see how much the old formula was very, very dry. It was really a lot to just drag it across your lips. This new one, it just glides. It's so beautiful. So we're gonna start with the original lip ammo formula. This is in the shade Celebrity Skin. So I'm just gonna drag this across. I don't know if you can tell, but there is a lot of pull to try to get that pigment to come. If we compare that to the new Celebrity Skin, it just literally glides, guys, like butter. Yes, the color, as you guys can see, is actually way different. I'm gonna say I prefer the old color better, but you can clearly see, guys, same amount of shine, same amount of matteness, but this one I definitely prefer. As you guys can see for yourselves, it's night and day different in terms of the way it looks. It's a little bit more shiny than new formula, definitely more emollient, and I absolutely way prefer the new formula. Also, guys, as I was swatching these and going through each and every one, I just wanted to note that some of them do have a smell, and that is exactly like the lip glosses, like a creme brulee, but some don't. So just in case you're curious about that, it's not overwhelming. It's almost exactly the same level of the lip glosses if you're familiar with that, but it's not something you're gonna wear and then feel sick from or anything like that, but some of them do have a smell and some don't. All right, guys, let's get to the good stuff now. Let's jump right into the swatches. So the first shade is Celebrity Skin. Then we have Chocolate Fondue, Diet Mannequin, Dominatrix, Drill Sergeant, Firestarter, which I'm gagged for, Funeral Parlor, Honey Suck Me, Hot Commodity, Jawbreaker, Malibu Beach House, Medieval Kiss, Naked Body, Nudist Colony, Pure Hell, So Jaded, The Perfect Red, which, listen, I'm dead. Unicorn Blood, Unfazed, and watermelon soda. As you guys can see for yourselves, these are absolutely beautiful. Some of my favorites, I love the one I'm wearing today. This is chocolate fondue. It's so beautiful. I do wish I paired it with a deeper liner, something like Dominatrix, which is an honest to God favorite of mine. I love that color, especially for the fall. But yeah, guys, those are all of the lip swatches. What did you guys think? What are your thoughts on the new colors? Which ones are you gravitating towards? I love all of the nudes. The reds, I'm absolutely dead for. That orangey red, like I will wear that every day in the summer. That is my jam. That is my color. I'm obsessed with these guys. What do you think? Please leave me your thoughts down below. I'd love hearing from you guys. As you know, I want to know, which ones did you guys purchase? Did you guys manage to get a mystery box of your own? Tell me your experience on the website. Let's talk. Let's start a discussion. And now, how to enter the giveaway. If you're familiar with me on this channel, you pretty much already know the rules. Make sure you give this video a giant like. Leave me a comment down below with your Instagram handle. Please make sure you're following me on Instagram as well as Twitter if you have Twitter. It's gonna really help because I definitely message the winner on Instagram every single time, and it really just helps if we interact with each other. You're leaving me comments, I'm seeing your name. And yeah, make sure, guys, also another biggie, make sure you're subscribed. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you haven't already, you know the rules. Give me a subscribe, give me a like, and leave a comment. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.